tell me what you really want from me? Say she the only real one for me. Told me that she down to hold the gun for me. I ain't tryna break her heart, told her run for me. When she need dick, she gon' come for me. I like being by myself, to be honest, I ain't gon' lie. I do enjoy your company. Close to the edge, if I jump, I know she gon' jump with me. Can you tell me what you really want from me? Say she the only real one for me. Told me that she down to hold the gun for me. I ain't tryna break her heart, told her run for me. When she need dick, she gon' come for me. I like being by myself, to be honest, I ain't gon' lie. I do enjoy your company. Close to the edge, if I jump, I know she gon' jump with me. On the money, I can show you no affection. I'd rather link, baby girl, while we texting. Riding with a strap, but it's only for protection. Lately, I'm fighting depression. I've been taking L's, then I lost is the lessons. The way out with the foreign would've thought I had no brakes. Heart too fragile, if you drop it, it gon' break. Soon as you walk in the room, it's gon' shake. No, I ain't ready for your love, I'd rather wait. And they try to come back for you and I skate. Put them on your menu if you try to take my plate. Only one me, no one can take my place. There's something I wanna let you know. To keep it real, I can let you go. Real stars gon' shine, so you know I'ma let you glow. If you pick and choose, I'll let you hope. You another top, cause these niggas scared of heights. It cost to be the boss, but I still ain't pay the price. I was gonna invest the racks, but I spent those shit on ice. When I die and resurrect, they gon' call me Jesus Christ. Can you tell me what you really want from me? Say she the only real one for me. Told me that she down to hold the gun for me. I ain't tryna break her heart, told her run for me. When she need dick, she gon' come for me. I like being by myself, to be honest, I ain't gon' lie. I do enjoy your company. Close to the edge, if I jump, I know she gon' jump with me. Can you tell me what you really want from me? Say she the only real one for me. Told me that she down to hold the gun for me. I ain't tryna break her heart, told her run for me. When she need dick, she gon' come for me. I like being by myself, to be honest, I ain't gon' lie. I do enjoy your company. Close to the edge, if I jump, I know she gon' jump with me. For the night, girl, you know what I like. Push on my snap and them hoes get tight. A basic bitch should take notes, get right. Erase your feelings and you might see the light. I'm different, did some shit that you ain't been in. I get it, cause niggas out here selling wishes. I'm killing it, even when I come and visit. Then back to the block, you know how I'm living. Gun heavy in the front like an engine. Don't try to start no beef, bitch, we finished. Heavy in the hood, still moving militant. You ain't pulling triggers, niggas be hesitant. Facts, I won't change chasing them racks. Young nigga getting caught up in them traps and don't plan on making it back. When I make it to the front, I'm on time, I came for the get back. Don't play H-Gang, gon' clip that. Hill crash to the devil, I been at. New block, don't ask why I got that. OT if they ask why I been at. And if I get the drop where you at, we gon' load up the scat and spin that. And niggas don't get no racks off packs, they make it look good for the internet. I'm starting to see everything connect, I'm living this shit, no regrets. Can you tell me what you really want from me? Say she the only real one for me. Told me that she down to hold the gun for me. I ain't tryna break her heart, told her run for me. When she need dick, she gon' come for me. I like being by myself, to be honest, I ain't gon' lie. I do enjoy your company. Close to the edge, if I jump, I know she gon' jump with me. Can you tell me what you really want from me? Say she the only real one for me. Told me that she down to hold the gun for me. I ain't tryna break her heart, told her run for me. When she need dick, she gon' come for me. I like being by myself, to be honest, I ain't gon' lie. I do enjoy your company. Close to the edge, if I jump, I know she gon' jump with me.
And I feel like the GOAT. She wanna Gucci, I put it on toe. Before he saw 40, he thought it was jokes. He didn't know I had a pack with the code. Stay 100, yeah, my pack with the code. Got the picture, we ain't tell him to pose. MVP, man, I feel like the road. Remember them days we was keeping the stove.
I just ran up a bag and I got off my ass. I ain't really do much. I took a little flight with my bitch. Smoked out on the balcony, views was just too much. I caught the little foreign, a whip, a little ice on my wrist and my neck. Think I grew up. And Uno got right with this music. He set this shit straight. Think that little nigga blew up. Can't forget about people I lost. Yeah, they up with that man on the cross. It's RP mama and RPG, yeah, that shit really hurts to the core. Like, how did we get to this point where we losing our loved ones and dumb shit? A virus, like, where this shit come from? This shit feels so cold and it feel like the tundra. I gotta keep working and hustle and come up.
Stepped in this bitch and I feel like the GOAT. She want a Gucci, I put it on toe. Before he saw 40, he thought it was jokes. He didn't know I had a pack with the code. Stay 100, yeah, my pack with the code. Got the picture, we ain't tell him to pose. MVP, man, I feel like the road. Remember them days you was jigging the stove.
My swag is obnoxious, I love to go shopping. I need me a warehouse to keep all these options. I'm stacking my money, I love to see profit. I keep it on decades to get out of pocket. Keep getting money, don't worry about shit. Me and Cam going stupid, they copy and drip. Too much animosity, carry a grip. And I move how I want and these niggas is pissed. I know why they hate, cause they see in the glow. They greet me in person, but hate on the low. Brush it off and move cautious, I ride with the foe. Just give me a reason, I'm letting it blow. My drip is like fashion, we call CEO. I'm Gucci wherever I go, where I go. No bitches stripping, attached to this pole. I pull up and shoot if they jacking my flow.
Stepped in this bitch and I feel like the GOAT. She want a Gucci, I put it on toe. Before he saw 40, he thought it was jokes. He didn't know I had a pack with the code. Stay 100, yeah, my pack with the code. Got the picture, we ain't tell him to pose. MVP, man, I feel like the road. Remember them days you was jigging the stoves.
You say you sliding, where you at? Wow, wow. You say you sliding, where you at? Bro making hits, so go get it back. Ain't tryna fuck while you hit my jack. I get out my body when sipping this jack. I stay on the block, remind me of Shaq. Finessing the plug, you ain't getting it back. You can't pray to God and get your homie back. Consistency is something you niggas lack. You say you sliding, where you at? Bro making hits, so go get it back. Ain't tryna fuck while you hit my jack. I get out my body when sipping this jack. I stay on the block, remind me of Shaq. Finessing the plug, you ain't getting it back. You can't pray to God and get your homie back. Consistency is something you niggas lack. Bro making hits, we go back to back. They call us the GOAT, we like Kobe and Shaq. They try so legit, tryna hop on the track. Consistency is something you niggas lack. Making excuses, that's your trust is slack. Bro got a Glock and he came from my rack. The devil in disguise and he's tryna distract. The cops will be over just because I'm black. Run up a check, now they copy the drip. God keep put it on me, it's still on my hip. They tryna run up and he gon' take a slip. I went to the trap, had to make me a flip. When she finished sucking, she don't get a tip. I'm blocking my girl cause I know she a trip. Catch me a op, had to empty the clip. Feel like LeBron cause I need me a chip. Damn. I just need me a ring. Sortie said she tryna level up, so she cut off her man tryna fuck with a king. None of these niggas that fuckin' with me till they seen I was up and I'm doing my thing. Your name don't ring bells, no I don't hear a ding. Go to the bank, all I hear is cha-ching. Stuck in the trap, I watch out for rats. You think you gon' spin and we ain't gon' react. Just control your energy, what you attract. Used to be a home, but it turned to a trap. You say you sliding, where you at? Bro making hits, so go get it back. Ain't tryna fuck while you hit my jack. I get out my body when sipping this. You say you sliding, where you at? Bro making hits, so go get it back. Ain't tryna fuck while you hit my jack. I get out my body when sipping this jack. I stay on the block, remind me of Shaq. Finessing the plug, you ain't getting it back. You can't pray to God and get your homie back. Consistency is something you niggas lack. Bro making hits, so go get it back. Ain't tryna fuck while you hit my jack. I get out my body when sipping this jack. I stay on the block, remind me of Shaq. Finessing the plug, you ain't getting it back. You can't pray to God and get your homie back. Consistency is something you niggas lack. Bro making hits, so go get it back. Ain't tryna fuck while you hit my jack. I get out my body when sipping this jack. I stay on the block, remind me of Shaq. Finessing the plug, you ain't getting it back. You can't pray to God and get your homie back. Consistency is something you niggas lack. Bro making hits, so go get it back. Ain't tryna fuck while you hit my jack. I get out my body when sipping this jack. I stay on the block, remind me of Shaq. Finessing the plug, you ain't
he ain't getting it back. You can't pray to God and get your homie back. Consistency is something you niggas lack. You say you sliding where you at, bro making hits, so go get it back. Ain't tryna fuck while you hit my jack. I get out my body when slipping this jack. I stay on the block, remind me of Shaq, finessing the plug.